was a sort of standoffish between DMK Minister Duraimurugan and actor Rajnikant after Rajnikant on Saturday had said that it's time for the old guards to pay way for youngsters. In fact, this was said at a book event to commemorate Karunanidhi's birth centenary, and Rajnikant there in fact mentioned Duraimurugan's name, said that old students who have done exceedingly well and who topped the exams should leave the classroom and allow new students to enter the classroom. This was said and it received a lot of applause. But on Sunday, when Duraimurugan, who was asked about Rajnikant's statement, said that even in cinema, old actors continue to act and they don't allow young actors to come forward and act. That's the statement that Duraimurugan had made. Meanwhile, Udayanidhi Stalin also said that it was only that statement of Rajnikant that garnered a lot of applause from the audience, and said that it's time for youngsters to come and work together. That's the statement that came in from Udayanidhi Stalin. However, today, both Rajnikant and Duraimurugan downplayed the entire incident. It was first Rajnikant who reacted by saying that his friendship with Duraimurugan has been there for decades and that friendship will continue. Downplayed the entire incident and the reaction that came in from Duraimurugan. Meanwhile, Duraimurugan also reacted by saying that it was only pun intended, and this pun intended should not be made into an enmity of sorts between him and Rajnikant, and said that he and Rajnikant are good friends and that friendship will continue. So both of them have downplayed the incidents, and Duraimurugan also apologized for his earlier statement and said that it was only pun intended and that it was said on a lighter note. Meanwhile, on social media, a lot of people had criticized and lashed out at Duraimurugan for reacting that way, because Rajnikant on Saturday said that old students have done well. It's not like they failed in the test, and that they should leave the classroom after they've done well and should allow new students to come, and also said that it's very difficult for a teacher to handle old students, and also congratulated Stalin for handling all the old guards. And that did not go down well with Duraimurugan, who in fact in a tit for tat said that even actors, old actors, don't pay way for new actors. Meanwhile, both of them have now put an end to the ongoing debate by saying that they are friends and that whatever statements were made should be taken on a lighter note, and it was only pun intended is the word that's come in from DMK Minister Duraimurugan.